Welcome to the TechMastermind tutorials. The TechMastermind tutorial. So we will also discuss about in this topic donate card to Karate, California. How the California card donations process work. While card donation is proud to be the best place to donate a card for tax credit in California. We complete your donations in hassles-free process that take only minutes of your time. All you need to do is tell us that you want to donate a car is California, and we will handle every details. We accept many marks and models of vehicles. Basically anything with four wheels and an engines, and then either actions or salvage parts from those vehicles to support programs that help members of your local California community. This core why donate to core wheel car donations when you want to donate your car is California. There's no better option than goodwill car donation. We not only make the donations process quick and painless, but we also maximize the power of your contribution to help those the community who need assistance. Free yourself for the burdens of maintaining and insuring and vehicles you don't rent or use, and support our worthwhile case in the process. We'll haul away your car, send you a tax receipt, and give you the enjoy to know your donations matters. We'll also track the process of your donation and use them to provide job training, life skills, and employment prospects to disadvantaged residents of the state. By donating a car is California that non-profits such as Curval Car donations can repurpose for various programs and surveys. You get to enjoy the certifications that comes from making a difference. Contact us today to learn more about car donation in CA. Looking for more information and about donating a particular area of the California, click on one of the cities closest to you from the list below. Frisson, long page, long angles, Oakland, Sacramento, San Diego, San Francisco, or Sejos. Learn more about our California cruel partners from the list below. Oil industries of Ventura and Santa Barbara counties will be Goodwill Industries, Sacramento Valley, or Northern Nevada Gold, Goodwill of the San Francisco Bay. How to donate a car in California? Well, more than 30 years of experience. Quarters has the experience and making vehicles donation easier than our Corti Toys is designed to provide donors with a simple, fast, and secure way to donate their vehicles to non-profits organizations. Step by step, you will start the process of donating your car by collecting both your California car registrations and title. If you have misplaced your titles or organizations, don't worry, we can help. Please find your vehicle identification numbers and to Together we can determine which supplementary paperwork you will need to complete at the time of pickup. Next, you can either give us our phones calls or complete an online donations request form. Both will collect information regarding your car donation, the vehicles, colors, mileage, and location.